Acer gaming laptop unable to power on. 3 volt line short. See, DC to DC 3 volt line short. We connect our DC power supply and just inject 0.773 matlab almost 1 volt, and on it's taken 1 ampere and hitting this IC. This IC is hitting 34 degree and other side 29 degree. In normal vision this is HDMI controller. Maybe this is HDMI controller. In thermal vision, see, this IC is heating too much. In the board view, this IC is this one. This is IC UVH1. UVH1 search in PDF. This UVH1 is this one, HDMI controller. This HDMI controller IC is shorted to the ground. We have to replace this IC. This is a gaming laptop. Let's replace the IC and repair the motherboard. And as soon as we remove the IC, we also check shorting is going or not. Let's remove the IC and check. And if IC available, we have to replace this IC. 1 ampere and gaming laptop. Already trying to repair someone but unable to repair. Thank you.